Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video, and today I'm back with some bomb ass hair, okay? Period, poo. So a lot of my subscribers keep telling me, oh, your videos are really helping me. Like, I get DMs and y'all be telling me like my little tips and stuff are really helping y'all. So I just want to say thank you so much for your support. I'm so glad that I'm able to help you guys on y'all wigs. So for this wig, we have a wig by Alipearl, and this is their deep wave in 20 inches, and it comes with 3 combs and the adjustable strap, sis, and this is some bomb hair. So for my rag go-to, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Free spray. But now, y'all, I'm on the market for a new wig glue, lace glue, whatever you want to call it. I'm basically looking for a new method to put my wigs on. So if you guys know any lace glues, bond glues, anything like that that I can use, make sure y'all comment them down below. I'm going to take y'all word for it and try it out. Okay, sis? So until I actually find a new way to put my wigs on, new lace glue, whatever the case may be, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm going to tack that down with my blow dryer, get it nice and tacky, and get ready to lay this wig, sis. Alright, so I did go on ahead and pluck this unit myself, and I went and bleached the knots myself. So y'all, she looks mad natural. Now I do know sometimes when I bleach a wig, I still might be able to see the knots, but this wig, when I bleached her, it was like, okay, knots was gone. So it was very like nice and invisible, and the lace is super thin, which makes it 10 times easier to melt into your skin. So as you guys just seen, I went on ahead and laid my lace, and I used my comb to brush the hair back just so the hair don't get messy. And I'm also going to take the end of my rat tail and just use that to really get into the lace and make sure that the lace is stuck, okay? So as y'all can see, I went on ahead and cut my lace into 3 sections. I'm doing it and laying the wig in 3 separate sections. First one being my forehead, and then my right side and my left side. It doesn't matter, you know, what order you go. Of course, I like to lay my top first and then my sides. I just feel like whatever works good for me, and hopefully it can work for you too, sis. Sis, do y'all see when I bring that lace down, it's literally going to melt into my skin? Just wait until I cut my lace. It's going to be a complete difference. Alright, so off camera I went on ahead and cut my lace. You guys see me do that plenty of times, so I don't think I had to show you guys. But I'm gonna take the top part of the wig and I'm gonna be putting that in a ponytail, and y'all can see, like, look at those sides. Okay, that wig is melted, sis. It looks like my scalp. Okay, sis, so normally I would do my baby hairs, you know, just as normal with Got To Be Free spray, but I'm thinking about trying to either use like a wrapping foam or a setting foam. just something of that sort, just so my baby hairs have more mobility. I feel like when I use my freeze spray, they kind of just stick onto my head and it become plastered. So it's like they're not gonna move, which is a good thing, but I don't know. I kind of want to brush them out and make them look more realistic. Catch my drift? Okay. So boom, once we finished our baby hairs, I took the hair out of the ponytail that we had, and I'm just giving her a nice good shake, getting her, you know, some mobility back in her. But now, do you guys see the curls? They are super bomb. All I used was the Cantu for kids. I used their styling custard, which you guys see me use before. And then I used that with a combo of Miss Jessie's coily custard. Those two together with like any type of hair oil that you have work super great. Like, these curls are super bouncy, they're super juicy, and I'm loving it. So sis, this is where freeze spray is gonna get you, okay? The wig ain't moving, she ain't going nowhere, she is secured. So when you're commenting down some lace glues and bond glues, please keep that in mind. I don't want my wigs to go anywhere. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.